Hey, what's up guys? This is my R51 and the switch is not working. I can't open the tailgate. So if you have a problem like this, the switch is a common culprit in this problem. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Alright guys, so I started off by prying the switch. Alright, so I basically just pried it up on here and work my way out to the other side. So basically pry here and then I pry it on this side. So when you pry it over here, have your hand or finger hold it, and it's like that. And while this side is still connected, you pry it and then it will easily come out. So you don't need to basically take this whole part up, take this bezel apart. So you basically just have to pry that open. So that removes that's extra work to do, because some people are removing this whole piece, right? So I just basically pried it out. And alright, so I have the part right here. It's the brand new switch that I got from online, and I'm going to compare. Alright, so here is the switch that I got from Amazon, and I believe it was only just like less than 20 bucks. Anyway, so it's the same size. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this, since I can't open right now. Actually, it did work. It worked today. But sometimes it doesn't work. But if you can't open it, but anyways, if you can't open it, you're gonna have to open it from the inside. So what you're gonna do is go in here, reach for this cover. So you want to remove this cover. See this thing right here? So you want to lift it up, and that will open the tailgate. Alrighty. Alright, so now I'm gonna remove this cover so I can replace that switch. I'm gonna have to remove this and that. There's another 10 mil right here. Alright, so there's I believe that's a 7 or 8. Another one here, and I'm gonna. Alright guys, so this is a size 7. There you are. And the one here is the size 10. So I got this out, so you gotta remove this too.
I think I got everything out. I don't think I missed anything else, so I'm gonna go ahead. Let's go ahead and try and fry this. Try to
got it partially out, the top part, so it's basically just hanging from the top. I don't need to remove the whole thing because I can just reach my hand here and basically look for this wire right here. So this connector here, I'm gonna go ahead disconnect this. There you go. And the switch is that one right here. Alright guys, so I decided to try it this way. So basically what I did is just push that rubber grommet. So I pushed it and it's coming out. So I'm gonna try to pull it out from the outside and basically do the reverse procedure of installing the new one. So I have my hands on the switch. I'm just gonna guide it through. So there you are. Then I have the old one right here, and what I'm gonna try to do is I'm going to, if I could, put it to this hole with a fish rod or something. I should be able to. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I can see it. I can fish it through there. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna toss this for a while. Alright guys, so I got it partially in, so I'm basically just gonna tuck this rubber part. There you go. So now I'm just gonna work my way from the inside and pull it. It's not easy as you think, but I'm just working. There you go. There you go. That's done. Alright, so I'm just gonna plug this in. There you go. And this is a switch here. There, done. So I'm gonna close the door and I'm gonna try if it's working. It's working, guys. How do you open that? Alright, so it's good. So I'm going to put this back all together, and that basically finish the job. All right, so by doing this, you save time. You save time basically removing the whole piece here. All you needed to do was to unplug that and pry this open. What I basically did is I basically had my small screwdriver, pinch it in there, and then pry it. And then when you have it open a bit, put your finger there just to hold it, and then go to the other side, go to this side, and then pry the same way, and it'll just pop out. All right guys, so that eliminates you from removing this piece right here. If you are to remove that, there are nuts. You have to remove that nut, and you're gonna have to remove this cover, and you're gonna have to remove this cover in order to see the other two nuts, and then you're gonna have to pop that bezel out, and that's how you do it the hard way. And this is the shortcut way. Just make sure that this one is sealed properly. There you go. Okay, that's done. It's a done deal job.